Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share a junk journal that I made. It's traveler's notebook size, so like a journal insert. But so I used a trace of sparkle among her design team, and I used two of her kits. One of them is, God, I don't have the names. It's one with pumpkins on it. It's gorgeous. It's this one here. And it has two different color pumpkins. And I was looking, I need to ask her because like this is the perfect season for this kit. So I was wondering if she had more of that, and I didn't see it on there. But I also used this other kit that goes with it. And this is part, or I should say like some of her kits like go hand in hand. You can use the kits with other kits. So this one is August. So I will put the name of the kits in the description box. And let's get started. So this is a 8x4. I have added trim to it. So here I decided to add some gold and pink vines. It just like went with the kit really well, these flowers. And then it went towards the back. On the inside, I sewed throughout all of it. I put this cute little frame in there for a picture and the vellum, and then I added some trim to the bottom. This is part of her collection. Added more trim. I made some pockets and some tags. She has some tags on there, but these were scraps and I just turned them into tags. And I printed front and back on these. Actually turned out really amazing. Then I added a piece of vellum. You can add pictures to it or anything else you would like to add to it. I missed the charm on this one, so I need to, which here are some of the charms. And then I added a cute little, like this was the only rose that I had. So I was looking like these are perfect on these paper clips. But I only had one. So then I added lined paper. On the paper that I got from her, I did double-sided, so I printed on both sides of the paper. She has these little file folders, and I backed, she has two of them, I backed them onto each side. And then this pretty coffee dye paper that I made a long time ago. I added this really pretty fabric. It's pretty. And then this tag. Here's a charm. And the paper. This side, these are like the little goodies that come with the journal for the person that ends up purchasing it. And here's another charm. more lined paper. Okay, the paper clip. I have some pockets right here, so I added a little shaker card, one of a kind, and then made it into a shaker. I added some vellum envelopes, so I made sure that there's a pocket here and then a pocket back here. And in that pocket, I have made some memory dex cards. This one's not backed, but this one is. So that was, I decided to put it in there. I also have added, I forgot to mention, these little ruffled fabric that I made on I did on my sewing machine. And then this, these are the pumpkins. More of the trim. More copy dye paper. This is the other side of the envelope. Of the, no, the file folder, not the envelope. And I added those little pumpkins in here. I sewed them on there. There's that, more of that really pretty paper, and then the stars. I made a pocket. So really out of my scraps, I made pockets and tags out of them. Here's a little journal card. This is vellum with the more of the trim that I made, but this is trim made out of paper. And another pocket right here. I forgot to put something in there, but that's it. So this turned out really cute. My favorite part of making journals is the covers. It's like, I love like making it cute, you know, make it look nice. And then looking from the outside, look how pretty it is. Little charms, all the charms and tabs and trim. But please go check out her shop. I will include it below. If you're interested in the journal, I will leave my information below. You can message me on Instagram, or you can send me an email. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.